Morning guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, Old Time Cooking TV. And this morning we have a quick and simple breakfast idea for you. So this morning we are going to look at both fried dumpling with corned beef. But this is a twist, corned beef fried dumpling. And so it's simple ingredients. We have the flour, we have the corned beef, we have a little black pepper, salt, baking powder, and some chopped green seasoning, and that is made up of scallion, onion, garlic, pepper. Okay, so you'll see the preparation in a few. Okay, so we're going to prepare the dough now. So for the flour, we're going to add the salt. This is about a quarter teaspoon, depending on the amount of flour you're using. Alright, then we're going to add the baking powder. This is about a teaspoon of baking powder. Alright, we're going to knead the flour now. Hands are clean. So you mix that in. Make sure that the baking powder is evenly distributed. And then we're going to knead the flour and lay it to rest for a few minutes. Then we prepare the corned beef. Alright, this is a Old Time Cooking TV exclusive. Not sure if you have ever seen it on the internet. If you have ever seen it before, I want you to tell me. Type in the comment section and let me know. If you're a first time viewer to this channel, welcome, and I trust that you will subscribe and share the content with friends and family. Alright, share it with the teachers, the nurses, a matter of fact, every parent who have children. And you know, they wake up in the morning and just need something simple for the children to go to school. All right, so we're getting the flour prepared. You don't want to throw all the water at once because you don't want your flour to spoil. This looks like the right amount now. Okay, so the flour, we finished kneading the flour now, and we're gonna allow it to rest for a while as we prepare the corned beef. So we cover it so that it can raise for a few minutes. So we're going to prepare the corned beef now. So to the corned beef, we're going to add the black pepper and the chopped seasoning. And we're going to mix that into the corned beef. And you'll see how that is done. Alright, so we're going to prepare the corned beef now. So to the corned beef, you want to spread it out like this. This is a small tin of corned beef. You can find corned beef anywhere in the world. Alright, if you notice, it's a little fatty, so the fat will produce its own oil. Alright, to this you're gonna add the black pepper. This is about a quarter teaspoon. Depending on the size of your family, you don't have to use the entire tin. You can choose to use some. Alright, as you know, in previous videos I told you that I love seasoning, so I'm gonna use all of this seasoning. Looks a little too much, but you mix this in. Okay, mix it in. Remember, I told you this is an Old Time Cooking TV exclusive. Not sure if you have ever seen this on the internet. If you have, type in the comment section and tell me that yes, you have seen it on the internet. If you have ever tried it before, also tell me that you know this style long time. But it's an old time Jamaican favorite. You know, when the children think it's sauce dumpling, to their surprise, some goodness is inside of it. Alright, so after you mix that in, then we are going to prepare the fried dumpling. On the fire, I have the oil being preheated. You don't want your oil to be too hot. Okay, so we are going to that process next. Alright, so you mix in your green seasoning and we're ready to put the fried dumplings together. Here we go again. Alright, we're gonna prepare this now. So you make your dumplings like this. You know, you're gonna create a little deepness in the middle, a little hole in the middle, so to speak, a little gulf like. Alright, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. And then take a little with your fork, take a little of your corned beef, put it in. Alright, not a lot because you can make quite a few from this. And then now you're going to lock that in. Alright, bring up the edges, lock it in. All right, a little too much corned beef is here. All right, so you lock that in. Bring over the edges, lock it in. Bring over the edges, lock it in. All right, so you get the gist of what I'm saying. Lock that in, lock that in, lock that in, and then you can just round them up like this. Okay, looking nice and neat. That's number one. Same procedure for the second set. Take a little of the corned beef, put it in the middle, bring over the edges, and you lock that in. All right, so 2 down, few more to go. I'm going to do one in a patty style. All right, just to be creative. So for this one now, let me get a bigger piece of the dough. For this one, the children are going to love it because they are going to believe, and that is why I have the board here. It's a patty, but it's homemade. All right, so you get that out like a roti. Jamaican people knows about roti. Spread it out, you know. Mama used to make this for us when we were small. Maybe not with the corned beef, but she used to try her hand on the patty style thing. So I have a rolling pin, but I can't get to that right now. I'm just going to show you. This is the one for the patty style. All right, so you put that in with a little beef on the inside. Probably when you finish this, you can work at one of those patty companies. All right, so after you do that, you bring this over. Bring this over. All right, and then you're going to use your fork to seal the edges. So you do like this. Press down, press down, press down, press down, press down. So you are sealing those edges. Press down, press down. All right, so it look beautiful. All right, good. So press down, press down, press down, press down. And then now, from the board to the oil, look at this, beautiful. So when you fry this and the children sees this, they think it is homemade patty, and inside is pure goodness. So you're gonna see the frying process next. Here we are again, ready for the frying process. So this is the top that we have sealed. We wanna turn this side down when we're putting it in the oil. All right, there we go. Oil seem a little too hot. Put in that one, put in that one, and then now for the one that looks like the patty. All right, so you want to get your flames really low, really low, because you want to give it time to soak. All right, and as the heat takes it, it's gonna pulp up. So when it does that, some of them can burst. You want to just flip it at that time. You want to just flip it. Okay, sometimes you can't avoid from them bursting, but you just flip it. All right, so you're gonna allow that to fry until they are golden brown and soak. Real goodness, real corned beef fried dumpling, old time cooking TV exclusive. Try this at home. Please to press like, please to also press the subscribe button if this is your first time here, and share this video with a friend, share it with a family member. Okay, easy and simple breakfast idea. So when the children believe that it is sauce dumpling them get, when them bite into it, they get that goodness. All right, so you don't want it to burst, so you continue to flip them, okay, until they get that. So the colors coming in now. When they are finished, you will see those beautiful dumpling, and fried dumpling that is, and the beautiful rich corned beef that is inside. So the heat from the oil is going inside and frying those vegetables, steaming those vegetables. So the fat within the corned beef are going to, you know, cook those vegetables, and trust me, it's gonna be so good. All right, continue watching for the finished dish. Here we go, guys. Finished product. Lovely breakfast idea. 20 minutes and you have a simple and easy, ready to eat breakfast idea. Corned beef fried dumpling. Corned beef fried dumpling. So the children will love this in the morning. You can have this with a hot cup of, right, what you're seeing there is chocolate tea. You can have this with Milo tea, chocolate tea, or for those bush tea lovers, your nice mint tea, Cersei tea, any tea for that matter. And you want to have a tea that the children love. All right, so simple breakfast idea in 20 minutes. The children would love it. So try it at home. I'm gonna give you a close-up. Look at that. Beautiful, soft, succulent. Look at the beef on the inside with the seasoning, very tasty. Lovely corned beef fried dumpling for a quick and easy breakfast with your chocolate tea, Milo tea, whatsoever tea the children loves. This can be done also for grandma, grandpa. The baking flour powder allow the flour and the dumpling to be soft, succulent. Beautiful fried dumplings. Look at this one. Just like the shape of a patty with those little crunches at the edge. Lovely breakfast idea. Share this video with a family, with a friend. Alright, and prepare it at home for your children. Until our next video, take care. Please remember to press like, press subscribe on this video, and if it is your first time here, we ask that you subscribe. Until then, have a great day.